I have already generated few superhero-based stories like Iron Man, Hulk, Spiderman, Superman, Batman, Aquaman, Wonder Woman. Let's see the first story of Iron Man. In this entire video, firstly, I will to show you what superhero stories I have generated. Then I will show you how to make this kind of superhero-based stories with this single AI. You will able to make any kind of stories you want. You will not need any help of other AI, even on ChatGPT. With this AI, you need not to worry about script writing for stories. This AI will automatically generate story images according to your story, will add voiceover, will add background music, will add captions and subtitles, and finally output your story with high-quality video output. Everything will be automated with this single AI. You will find the necessary links to description. Visit with my link and just sign up with your Google account and start making your stories. When you will sign up with my link, you will get 150 credits. The stories you are watching on screen has been generated with this AI. Stay connected till the end to find everything step by step. If you have a plan to make a brand new YouTube channel, you can use this AI. In Story Studio you will just input one keyword and you will see your story will be ready according to your keyword. Not only superhero-based story, you can make any kind of story-based video with this AI. You should use this AI at least one in your life. You need no skill to make this kind of story videos. Look, the characters of those stories are consistent. You can generate story with consistent characters. You can also romance-based stories or even love stories. Children's stories or kids' stories also can be generated with this AI. Here look the generation by AI high definition and extraordinary output, or you can create science fiction based stories, mysterious story, drama stories or comedy stories or even horror stories. You will able to make almost every kind of stories you want to make with this single AI without much effort. Storytelling is a powerful tool that can captivate, inspire, and influence audiences across the globe. You will find the link in description. Visit and sign up. Then click on Story Studio at left menu, then click on New Story button. AI will ask, what story are we creating today? Select Help Me Get a Story button. Then in this box, write anything you want. Then AI asks, what's your goal by creating this story? I wrote any. Then AI will ask what genre the story should be. This is very important part. From 12 genres, you must select superhero if you want to make superhero stories. The genre you select, your story will be on that genre. I recommend you to try other genre. Then AI will ask any quick ideas what this story is about? This is most important part of your story. The input you will give the story will depend of this input. Here I wrote Captain America and her girlfriend as my story idea. You can input what story you want to make. After inputting your story idea, click on Generate Story Outline button. The better input you will provide here, the better story will be generated. Within few seconds, your story will be ready. You should carefully check story characters and story outline. Your entire story will depend on this story outline. When you will satisfy with your story, you will need to click on Create this Story button. Then you will find two story format. You can select vertical if you want to make short or reels. I am selecting horizontal because I want to make it for YouTube video. Here you will need to select visual style of your story. There are 12 visual styles for stories. The visual style you will select, your video style will get that kind of visualization. You should try different styles for different stories. You will be impressed to see the different styles. I am selecting fantasy as I will start making superhero-based story. You can choose whatever you want. Then click on Continue to Character Creator button. Characters of your story will be ready in few minutes. Check you characters. If you not satisfy with any character, you can always change character's appearance by clicking Edit Character button. And change character's appearance till you satisfy. I am happy with this characters and look how beautiful the look of characters. If you need to change, you can modify the prompt and generate. After finalization of story characters, I clicked on Continue to Storyboard button. The story images are start generating. This process may take few minutes. My generation was taken only 1 minute because I am pro member. If you have planned to use this AI in long run, I recommend you to upgrade to annual pro plan. Anyway, this is our video timeline according to our story. Let's see the results. All the generated images are really awesome and the plot scenes are really extraordinary. Actually, our final video will play in this timeline. Every clip have 2 options. You can select the best images, or even you are not satisfied with any scene, you can always change the images till you satisfy. Voiceover, background music, subtitles will be added automatically. To change any image, click on image icon on left side of images, click on generate button to start generating new images for any specific scene. New images are just generated, you can generate any image scene till you satisfy with the result. Choose the image form generation. If you have any confusion, don't hesitate to ask on comment section, I will answer every single comment one by one. When you will happy with all scene, you will need to click on export button or right top side. The rendering process may take 7 to 10 minutes to complete when you will use free version. My rendering time was less than 2 minutes. After the completion of export process, you will be able to download it. Let's see our superhero Captain America AI generated story and video.
Love radiates between them as they enjoy a rare moment of peace amidst the chaos of their superhero lives. Intrigued by the artifact's mysterious aura, they reach out to touch it, unaware of the power it holds within. A surge of power courses through him, exhilarating yet unnerving, as he tests the limits of his newfound abilities. Fear grips her heart as she realizes the extent of the artifact's corrupting influence on her beloved. Confusion and chaos reign as the hero-turned-threat stands at the brink of losing himself to the power he wields. Hope flickers in her eyes as she glimpses a chance to undo the damage wrought by the insidious artifact. Determination hardens her resolve as she steps forward to confront the true source of the artifact's malevolent power. The final battle commences, a clash of wills and powers that will determine the fate of the city and all they hold dear. Relief washes over the girlfriend as she sees her beloved restored, the bond of love stronger than any corrupting force. Reflection sets in as they ponder the nature of power, the sacrifices made, and the enduring strength of their love that saw them through. In each other's arms, they find solace and renewal, a testament to the resilience of their bond in the face of adversity.
How was the story? Tell me on comment section. And one thing I want to tell you that you don't see any logo on my video, but in free version you will a logo on video. To remove logo, you have to upgrade plan. And if you really want to upgrade, I again suggest to upgrade to annual pro plan bows that saves you 25% cost. In screen you are watching, I am start generating another superhero story to make you clear that the capacity of this AI. This time as idea of my story, I input Invisible Woman. And doing the same process in this steps. But 'tis time I am selecting realistics as visual style of my story. In this story, I am not happy with Invisible Woman's character appearance. So clicked on Add Face button. You can select any pre-built character you like what will match with your story character. I am selecting her. After selecting one, click on Generate button will come with new character with that selected actor. In this way, you can also keep consistent characters on your story. Or even you can create your own character with this AI from Characters Builder option. Tell me in comment section if you want to see how to make AI characters within this AI. Here's our character is ready. After finalizing of characters, click on Continue to Storyboard button to start generating our AI images for our story. Till now, if you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Let's see the generated images for superhero Invisible Woman's story. Up next, I will show you how to make real-size vertical shorts video with superhero Thor. Comment me below what superhero you loved most. Looking like wow, right? This time I am not showing you the exported video for saving time. Let's see how to make a real-size vertical shorts video what you will able to use as Facebook or Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest Pins, Twitter, TikTok wherever you want. As story idea this time I input Thor and her girlfriend. Here story is ready again for new video. This time I am selecting vertical as story format as I want to make short video for YouTube Shorts. And selecting 3D cartoon as visual style of the story. Story character generation is completed, so checking the characters if the characters are okay to proct. I think characters are okay. So clicked on continue to storyboard button and within few seconds my short vertical format video images are ready for export. Checking the story images before rendering. I think all images are good enough. So clicking on export button. Within a minute my superhero story, Thor and her girlfriend is ready to check. Let's see this short.
A peaceful afternoon shattered by chaos as the city skyline erupts with smoke and flames. Jane's expression twists in fear as the supervillain's henchmen surround her, capturing her in a swift motion. A tense negotiation unfolds, Thor's resolve wavering, as he weighs the safety of his companion against the cost of his abilities. The clash of powers reverberates through the street, the odds stacked against Thor and his friends. A moment of realization dawns as Thor taps into a hidden reservoir of strength, the tide of battle shifting in his favor. Triumph intermingled with loss.
In this way, you can make superhero-based stories, and if you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to visit through my links. I have also made few dedicated videos for this AI like how to make horror stories, how to make love stories, how to make AI cat stories, etc. You can watch it to my channel. And thank you for watching.
Forged in the crucible of adversity. Walking side by side, Thor and Jane understand that true power lies not in abilities alone, but in the courage to face adversity with unwavering resolve.